here's the outside of the frame. I just kind of, personal habit, I just start over here on the right side of the frame where the loading gate is. I just open that loading gate and I take my nylon brush and I just kind of give it a good brush inside there. And I just always find a little bit with these revolvers, or revolvers in general, that the outside of the frame needs sometimes a little bit more work, I think, than some semi-automatics. And that's when, when I'm over here at this loading gate, I'll pull the hammer back and I'll just put it into cock, and we don't have to worry about anything. We don't have the cylinder in, so it's safe. And we're just going to give the inside of this hammer a good scrub. I do this with a nylon brush mostly because this is a blued area and I kind of want this to I want this to stay, wear-free. It's not going to stay 100% wear-free. That's just a personal thing. Now, if you look right here in the back of the frame, as I point here, that's your firing pin right there. Now that is obviously a really important part. So I'm going to get in here with my nylon brush and I'm just going to scrub that pretty good. Then I just kind of use a finger test and I just see if I can't feel anything abrasive to the finger, because most of these parts in here are pretty smooth. That's feeling pretty good. I don't feel anything. So I'm just going to kind of walk myself around the outside of the frame, and I'm going to get the inside of the trigger guard. Work around my release pin here on the left side of the frame. And we're looking pretty good. I have this scrubbed up real nice. And when I got my other parts sitting here, next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to clean the inside of the barrel here, so we're going to get prepared for that.